Can you believe that we can create such a beautiful and adorable ring using just three materials? For this ring, I use a silver thread and a rhinestone chain and a cute little bow. The best part is that you can watch the entire step-by-step process and see how everything comes together beautifully. There's something truly special about making handmade items. The joy feels ever greater when people appreciate the efforts and creativity behind your work. But over time, I have learned something important. I value myself the most. I used to expect love and appreciation from others, and that often led to disappointment. However, when I started loving and caring for myself, I realized that no one can take better care of me than I can. That's why I enjoy creating handmade jewelry for myself. Every piece carries a little bit of creativity, patience, and self love. If someone special in your life, this cute and simple ring can make a wonderful handmade gift. Because in the end, it's not about how expensive a gift is, it's the thought, effort, and time behind it that truly matters. If you enjoyed this style ring tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more handmade jewelry ideas.